An intake manifold is a very crucial element in the efficient working of the engine in a vehicle. It facilitates the production of motion from fuel. The engine is the most important part of a vehicle. Hence the components that support the engine have to be of top quality. And without the intake manifold, the engine cannot function. This will give you an understanding of how an intake manifold works. The intake manifold is a passage system that allows the fuel and air to pass through and from the carburetor and the engine valves. It rests at the midpoint of the carburetor and cylinder head. New age machines have a technology that ascertains the minimum amount of condensation of fuel in the intake manifold. This works out better for the engine in the long run. The engine cell head is attached to the block side and the eye head to the cylinder head. The intake manifold that is designed for high performance creates a high amount of vacuum. This vacuum helps to draw in fuel from the carburetor. In turn, makes the flow of air and fuel more efficient.